Yes, so in this video, you'll learn a new topic that is les pronotomiques. Let's start learning it. So, let's first list the pronotonique. Okay, you must have seen some of them, so you'll get some idea. Moi, then toi, lui, elle, nous, vous, eux, elle. These are the pronotoniques. In English, they are me, you, him, her, us, you, them, and them. Yes. So if you see, these pronotonic are used to refer to a person or a group of people, right? How is it different from pronos sujet, the subjects that we have learned? Pronos sujet are je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. English translation: I, you, he, she, we, you, they, and they. So, what is the basic difference between pronos sujet and pronotonique? Pronos sujet is basically used before the verb. To start a sentence, we use the subject, then we conjugate the verb, and then rest of the sentence. That's the only use of pronos sujet. If you want to talk about a person or people, but anywhere else in the sentence, then we use pronotonique. If you remember this, it will get easy. Obviously, we learn the uses of pronotonique and it will be better, but this is the simple difference between the two so that you don't get confused which one to use. Okay. Next, we also need to differentiate pronotonique from adjective possessive because that's where people get confused. Okay. So, adjective possessive is a completely different thing. But if you see look at the words, okay. Wait, I'll write. They look similar, so it's important to differentiate. Mo, ma, me. Okay. They are my. Okay. En anglais. They are my. Okay. Then we have ton, ta, te. Your. Okay. Then we have son, sa, se, his. Son, sa, se again for her. Then we have notre, notre again for masculine, feminine, it's the same, and no for plural. That is our, votre, vos. Both are your. Then we have leur, leur, their, and leur again here, there. Yes, so in fact, their uses are completely different because pronotonic refers to a person, okay, or people, and adjective possessive is for belonging. If you just say mo, it's not a person, it's the belonging of a person. Okay. But pronotonic moi, it's me, so it's a person. Toi, you, so it's a person. That way, they are very different. Okay, so don't get confused between the two and how to use them. Yes. Now, let's learn pronotonic a little bit in detail with its functions. Okay, les fonctions. Okay, so the first thing is donner une réponse courte, to give a short answer. Yes, if you want to answer in a single word or in two words without framing a sentence, like qui aime le chocolat, who likes chocolate. If I want to say that I like it, but I'll just say me. Simple, short answer. So just moi. You cannot just say je. Okay, je has a verb after it. Okay, so pronoun sujet have a verb after them. So it's different. It's used to frame a complete sentence, subject, verb, object. Okay, or subject, verb. So it doesn't exist without the verb. But this does. If you want to give a short answer, moi. Okay, so moi, or if I want to say moi aussi. Yes, if someone says j'aime le chocolat and they ask you, et toi? I like chocolate. And you? I want to say me too, moi aussi. So there also I'll use pronotonique. Okay. If we want to say qui est brésilien, who is Brazilian, and you want to tell that your friend is Brazilian. Okay, you're saying him. Okay, him. That's it. Okay. So if we want to give a short answer, we can give a one word or a two word answer with pronotonique. It can be used, we can use it with any other pronotonique also. Moi, toi, lui, elle, nous, vous, eux, elle, all of them. Okay. Yes. So if you want to say them, okay, there are two of them. So you can say them. One word answer. That's it. So here we use pronotonique. And if you want to use it with say, okay, it's me, it's him, it's her, it's us, then also you'll use c'est moi, c'est toi. Okay, that is also used to give answers. C'est lui, if you want to present someone, or if you want to present yourself, or you want to answer with say, then also you use pronotonique after say. Okay, any pronotonique. C'est moi, c'est toi, c'est lui, c'est nous, c'est vous, c'est yeah, ce sont nous, c'est nous. Okay, that way we use it. Then the third use, that is very important. Après, after, et, that is and, ou, that is or prepositions, avec, with, sans, without, pour, for, chez, at someone's place. Okay, and also que, that is used for comparison. Okay, we'll learn comparison in detail, but we'll take a simple example to understand it. Okay, so let's take a few examples. J'habite avec lui. Okay, I live with him. J'habite avec lui. So after avec, we cannot say j'habite avec il. No, not a subject, but a pronotonique after a preposition. Then, je prépare ou je fais du gâteau pour vous. Yes. I'm making a cake. I'm making cake for you. Okay, so here also this is pronotonique, not subject. Okay, it's after a preposition. Pour vous. Yes. So one more example. Marco invite Julie et toi. Marco is inviting Julie and you. Okay, so here also it's pronotonique after a. Okay, then let's take one example with que, a simple example. Il est plus grand que moi. He is taller than me. Okay, so that me after que we put pronotonique. Yes, so that's how we use it. Now, the fourth use. Yes, to insist on someone. Okay, insister. Okay, pour insister ou renforcer le sujet. How? Let's see. Okay, so we'll learn it better with an example. So, qui est artiste? Okay, if that's the question, qui est artiste? Elle. Elle est artiste. So this one is pronom sujet, not tonique. Okay, because we have sujet, verbe, objet. Okay, but this one, elle est artiste. I want to insist on the subject. Okay, I want to reinforce it. So I'll say elle est artiste. And if I want to talk about myself, moi, je suis médecin. Okay, or moi, je suis professeur. Yes. So me, I am professor. So I am insisting on the subject. I'm emphasizing the subject. Yes. That's how we use pronotonique. These are the four important uses of pronotonique. Okay. And if you're understanding from the English translations, good. If you're understanding from the basic difference that I told in the beginning, that's also good. If you want to go by the functions, great. Right? You will make no mistake. That's it for pronotonique. Nothing more. C'est tout. Merci.